Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best yard sale is probably one of the most exciting events for both buyers and sellers. It's a treasure hunt where you can find unique items at unbeatable prices. But, how do you make the most of it? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of yard sales, offering tips and tricks to help you navigate the sales, find the best deals, and ensure you don't miss out on any hidden gems. Let's get started. Number 5. Sunburst Systems 3908 Double-Sided Yard Sale Sign. These signs use bright, bold colors and an attractive style. They are designed to grab the attention of anyone passing by, ensuring you don't miss out on a single sale. This product is designed, sourced, and produced in the USA using high-quality materials. By choosing this, you're supporting American manufacturing. Each sign comes with sturdy metal U-stakes. These stakes are designed to keep the signs firmly in place, no matter the weather. The signs provide ample space for all your important information. This ensures that your customers know exactly where to find your garage sale. These signs are double-sided, ensuring visibility from all directions. This feature helps you capture traffic from every angle. Pair these signs with Sunburst Systems price labels and color-coding dots. They are your one-stop shop for all your garage sale needs, helping you prepare fully. What we like. These signs are designed with bright, bold colors and are double-sided to ensure maximum visibility from all directions. The included sturdy metal stakes make setup a breeze. If you're looking to maximize your sales and attract customers from every angle, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These are cheap vinyl signs that held up well for my yard sale. Bright contrasting colors make it an eye-catcher. Nice size, easy to see. Sturdy and very noticeable, despite being a little small. Number 4. Sunburst Systems 4195 Yard Sale Easy Kit. This kit includes 3 bright neon signs, each 11 by 14 inches. They are designed to immediately catch the eye of potential customers, ensuring they don't miss your yard sale. Save time with 600 pre-priced stickers. This feature allows you to quickly and efficiently price your items, making the selling process much smoother. 15 large stickers are included, providing ample space to write additional information. You can use these to highlight special offers or provide more details about your items. Easily direct customers with fill-in arrows. These help guide customers to your sale location, ensuring they can find you without any trouble. There is white space to write sale information. This allows you to customize the signs with your specific sale details, such as dates and times. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust in the quality and craftsmanship of this yard sale kit. What we like. This kit includes bright neon signs to grab attention, pre-priced stickers for quick labeling, and directional arrows to guide customers. It's proudly made in the USA. If you are looking for a complete, easy-to-use solution that saves you time and effort, this kit is ideal. What people say. The stickers stayed on the items well. The yard sale signs are nicely designed with arrows you darken with a marker so you can indicate the direction to the sale. The price stickers, fragile stickers, and larger tags for pricing bigger items yourself are very convenient. Number 3. Perco Garage Sale Price Stickers. Tired of manually pricing items? These stickers are a game changer. They allow you to quickly label items, saving you valuable time during your garage sale preparation. Each set comes with over 1,000 stickers. This ensures you have plenty for your current sale and future events, making sure you're always prepared. Choose from a wide range of pre-priced options or use the blank stickers to write your own prices. The different sizes and quantities cater to all your yard sale needs. Make your items stand out. The stickers' vibrant colors draw attention, turning your garage sale into a magnet for bargain hunters. This helps attract more customers. Avoid constant price inquiries. Clearly marked items with these labels keep buyers informed. This allows you to focus on assisting customers and making sales. What we like. These stickers offer a time-saving price tag solution with a wide variety of pre-priced options and blank stickers. Their vibrant colors are designed to captivate buyer attention. If you want to streamline your pricing process and make your items stand out, you should consider these stickers. What people say. Great choice of colliers. They stick very well. These were perfect for my yard sale. Big, bold and clear amount. You could simply stick it on and move on. Number 2. Remiawy 6-pack 17 by 12-inch blank yard signs. These yard signs are made of sturdy, 4 mm thick corrugated plastic. They're waterproof, wind-resistant, and can withstand any weather, indoors or outdoors. You can reuse them year-round. The signs are double-sided for maximum visibility. You can write on them with erasable markers or use waterproof paint pens for permanent content. They are also perfect for vinyl stickers, and can be cut into different shapes. This pack includes 6 17 by 12-inch signs and 6 16.5-inch H stakes. The stakes are taller than standard ones, so the signs won't touch the ground. This makes the signs look more beautiful and striking. Assembly is quick and easy. Just insert the H stakes into the signs' gaps and press them into the ground. No special tools or digging are needed. These signs are ideal for yard sales, open houses, birthdays, and more. They can serve as reminders, warnings, or directional guides. Use them for parties, weddings, or even holidays like Halloween or Christmas. What we like? These blank yard signs are made of durable, weather-resistant material and are customizable to your needs. The included stakes make installation simple and fast. If you need a versatile and reusable solution for your yard sale, this is the ideal choice, as you can write any information on it. What people say. Perfect size for our advertisement. It's sturdy for some windy days. We used both sides. Super easy to install. These worked great for our yard sale. Easy to use and post. Number 1. Zacool 3500 PCS Garage Sale Stickers. Are you planning a sale? These stickers come with 3,500 pieces, offering a wide range of pre-priced options. They're perfect for quickly labeling items. Each sheet includes 12 pre-priced amounts and 16 blank labels. This allows you to cover a variety of price points and customize as needed. It's a convenient solution for any sale. The stickers have a strong adhesive that ensures they stick well to various surfaces. They won't easily fall off and leave no residue when removed. This saves you time and effort. The stickers come in bright, attractive colors designed to grab attention. The colors are carefully selected to make your items stand out. They are ideal for attracting customers. These stickers are pre-cut and easy to peel and stick. They work well on clothes, glass, paper, and metal. It's a simple and efficient way to label your items. These self-adhesive stickers are ideal for garage sales, flea markets, and yard sales. They save you time and make organizing your sale a breeze. Use them to simplify your pricing process. What we like? These stickers come in bright, eye-catching colors and are pre-cut for easy use. They have a variety of pre-priced options. If you want to save time and make hosting your sale easy, then these stickers are perfect for you. What people say. I love the yard sale, it is perfect for my needs. The yard sale is easy to set up and take down. The yard sale is very sturdy and well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.